Hi guys, welcome back to Izzy's Playground. Today I'm going to show you how to make a air-dried clay cat candle holder. Hope you have fun. What you're going to be needing is some air-dried clay, maybe like a bowl, a butter knife, and 2 different sizes of candles. So we're going to need a ball, roll it into a ball, and then roll it out like this. That's good. And then do the edges a little like that. Then flatten it out a little like that. Then make sure both candles will fit. Like that. Make both candles fit. Yes. Okay. That. And now we're going to make the candle hole. So you're going to take your candle and just do the outline. And take your knife and then dig in. And you can take that out. And then just keep in the bottom. And you can rub it in a little to the edges. And then it fits. Perfect. And then you have one candle holder. Now you're going to do the other. Do the outline first. Then take your knife. And dig it out. That. Rub it in, push down a little more, then check the candle if it fits. Did it hold? Yes. Now that the candles fit inside, we're going to move on to making the head. You're going to be needing a little ball. Take off a little bit for the ears. That. Then you're going to roll the ball. That. You can shape it out. Pick which side it's going to be. I say my head is going to be on this side. Like that. And then you're going to take these two and then shape them into a ball too. And then kind of like flatten them out a little and then make a point and flat on the bottom. And then you can stick them on to the sides like that. And the other one. Now you're going to be needing a pencil and 3 little beads. You're going to take your pencil and then take your cat and put 2 little holes, 1 and 2, like that. Then you're going to take 2 beads, then just stick them in like that. Then you're going to make 1 more hole, stick in the last bead. So you have your last one in, then you might want to draw a little like that. And then we're going to add the tail. So you're gonna take a long piece and kind of make it a little wavy like that. And you're gonna take it and then just kind of like pinch it on there and then like put in the edges. And this is how the cat looks now. And then with the candles in, the cat looks like this.